Okay, this is front-end fundamentals homework assignment number 5. So yeah, the first instructions were to refactor my CSS code so that 75% of the um, elements were being selected by classes and IDs. So that's pretty much what I did here. And then to give your ordered list and unordered list unique classes. So down here I gave it the ID of recipe links. And up here as well, second heading. Let's see. Okay. And then I found the online source. I use a few actually. I use Mozilla Developer Networks for reference, and I also use W3 Schools. Um, change the bullet points in the unordered list so that they are emoji of your choosing. So that's basically what I did over here. What I did was let's see down here. Okay, so yeah, down here the unordered list, I targeted and gave it the before pseudo element, and then the content, I gave it the emoji bear, so that puts the emoji in front of the um, the list. And how I removed how I replaced it with the bullet points is I basically um, targeted the UL and list style none. So it was able to take away the bullet points and I replaced them with the emojis. And let's see what else we have here. So change the numbers in the order list so that they are Roman numerals. So I did that here. And the way I did that was by giving it a type of I, which will change, your numbers into Roman numerals. So where's that? CUI. Okay. Okay. So for the extra credit, it asks within one of your paragraphs to add several span elements that should be emphasized. So what I did was put a span in the last paragraph around here and here. And then within your CSS, create a selector that will only apply to the span elements that are within the paragraph elements and make them italic. So I did that by um, targeting the paragraph and then the descendant of span and give it the font style of italic. Then it asks within your CSS, create a selector that will only apply the last span within the p tag and make it underlined. So I was able to do that by targeting. Let's see where I put it. Oh yeah. So under peanuts and grapes, that's the class name. So I used the text decoration property and gave it the underlying value. So you will see that right here. So I basically gave that span the class name of peanuts dash grapes. And then the last piece of instructions for give the first span element within the p tag a special class. Now add CSS that will remove the italics and apply a red color. So basically I did that. Let's see, where is it? A tasty filling snack. Okay. Okay, 1 second. So the last span tag. I'm sorry, I'm looking for the first. It's the first span tag. So yeah, so I gave that span tag an ID of tasty, and down here, in order for me to remove the italic, I just basically changed the font style to normal, and then I gave it the color red. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.